Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Back at it again, just to be back at it again, my friend. Holla at your boy. Back here, I want to give a shout out to my sponsors. MikeandNikes.com. They do custom shoes. Where at? They do custom shoes. Here we go. Custom shoes, custom cleats. You got all the shoe cleaning supplies you can think. This is a shoe laundry bag. I suggest y'all get in it. Get it. One, get this at MikeandNikes.com. A lot of other cleaning supplies. And they also do shoe restorations. Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Let's get into it. With further ado, there's a up and coming artist. We can scour the internet, like I said. We're gonna give you the freshest of the fresh, the best of the best. And enough of me talking. Let's get into it. Like I said, it's some good work here. I'll walk you through it, I guess. Customs at the customs. You also can find us at MikeandNikes.com. Right, MikeandNikes.co at Instagram. Comment below if you want to be entered in the giveaway. Alright, she's starting by painting a whole shoe, blow drying it. I use a heat gun personally. Sketching out the artwork. Alright, covering the spot where she's gonna do the artwork. I showed you another artist that does this. Oh, she's making a stencil to cut out the for the artwork. I personally never done this technique, but I see a lot of artists trying to do it. Maybe someone will get into it in the future. Gonna turn me down in the headphones. Right, well, she's making another stencil. She just draws it, and she used the exacto knife to cut out the stencil pieces. I know one thing about them shoes right there, they deteriorate real fast. It's like the worst Jordans to restore, or the most restored Jordans. Hey, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Almost forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, never seen a technique, a sponge technique she's using to do a galaxy. It's kind of creative though. She didn't tape off the bottoms, but that's something I would have did. Tape off the lower, the midsoles. Just taking a sponge and spotting around using purple, blue, and white. They are coming out looking official though. You know, she have a lot of cleanup because her tape job, but that's what you guys do. Make sure you tape your preparation, your tape preparation, and do a good tape job. That's what I'm trying to say. That's just going back in and coloring the character, doing a little face tone with a very small brush. There's a lot of work going to these shoes. Outlined it with white using a small brush. Just going back in and touching up. Her camera died. I'll let you, boy. Keep it authentic. It's also one thing. Work on one part of the shoe at a time. You know, I mean, if you're doing character work, I wouldn't bounce back and forth. I work on one character. But yeah. But also, if you need some custom work, go to MikeandIce.com. Comment down below. We can get down. We can get to you. It's cleats, any type of shoes, boots. Holla at your boy. Kids, adults. Mm. And sometimes it takes a lot of coats to get the color that you want to achieve. That's what you're not seeing is the colors. She's going back and forth with the different colors. You know, it's probably a bunch of different coats, you know, at least 4 coats. Especially when the darker the background is, the harder it is to get it to white. She's going back in doing some more outline work. Hmm. Go tightening everything up. You know, I'll be getting some more of her videos out at you. I'm gonna try to do her whole catalog. So holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up the video. You know, we searching the content, so you ain't got to scour the internet. It's gonna be on all one spot. You know. Plus, we do custom restorations. Go check out Instagram. Tighten that back up. There you go. Tighten up the eyelids. See, I know, I'm sure this is over a few hours though. Maybe not, maybe an hour. Came out right. There's the befores, and these are the afters. Uh-huh. If you need something similar, holla at your boy. And that's gonna be a wrap for that. Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. If you need some of the best of the fresh content, uh just keep staying with us. Holla at your boy. But I'm gonna pop out all these videos. I mean, I'm gonna narrate them. I'll tell you what, Also, if you need any work, any questions, let us know, and we'll take care of it. All right, holla at your boy. Until next time, holla at your boy.